Catch me hopping out of Benz. Ever since I got this money, I got way too many friends. Ever since I got this paper, now they trying.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? I hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day. In today's video, we're going to be dripping out Kevin in a full Christian Dior fit. He's going to get a shirt, shorts, bucket hat, glasses, even a belt. But first, we're going to get right into it by setting him up in pose mode and getting whatever pose we want. And for this specific piece, I wanted his fingers in his mouth. That kind of sounded weird. But basically, he's going to be showing off his grill. He's always got a smile on his face, but I just wanted to emphasize it extra in this one. So here we go.
Yeah, catch me hopping out of Benz. Ever since I got this money, I got way too many friends. Ever since I got this paper, now they trying to make amends. They just do not get the picture, had to change up with a lens. I don't like the small talk, everything I do is big. Lately they been taking shots, dog, I got a strong chin. They asking for my story, tell them where should I begin. Cause I took so many L's just to get back up again. That's a fact, matter of fact, I'm getting smarter every time that I done fail. It just made me work much harder, people snaking around me now. That just made me keep my guard up, had to switch up on a diet. No Patron, I'm drinking water, I've been trying to show the way. Diversify the income, only way to make some money is if you willing to spend some. Invest that in yourself, everything they doing been done. If they calling now, don't be surprised if I don't pick up. Yeah.
Alrighty, now I got Kevin posed up how I wanted him to be, and as you saw, I also brought in the Audemars Piguet watch, just because he's going to be big flexing in this one. I also made a whole separate video on modeling the Audemars Piguet if you want to go check that out. But moving forward, I went straight on Christian Dior's website and pulled up some shirts and just scrolled through until I found something I liked. Took a screenshot, brought that into Photoshop and removed all the excess. And then I just repeated the steps for all the items that we're going to be modeling. So here's the glasses, the belt buckle, and even the shorts. Now it's time to boot up Blender and bring in all our reference images. I decided to start off with the belt buckle because, I don't know, it just seemed the most fun at the time. To start off, we're going to drag in our belt buckle straight into Blender, select it, and then hit Alt-R to reset the rotation, just so we get a nice flat reference image, and then rotate it 90 degrees along the x-axis. Then we're going to bring in a plane, extrude the vertices, and just get to modeling.
And it ain't about the money, I'm in it for the pride, for my fans cause they love me. I'm in it for the love, now there's nobody above me. And if you hit me now, dog, I'm looking at you funny, cause I'm seeing your intentions and a lot of y'all been faking. Dog, I'm getting close now, I swear that I can taste it. When they see you winning, you know they can barely take it. So they hit me all the time, telling me that I've been changing. But I ain't never changed, unless I'm switching for the better. Just when I've been shining, now they trying to change the weather. Seen a lot of rats, only in it for the cheddar. And when they get it fixed, that's when they been getting fed up. So I keep my circle small like the rings on the Audi. Even when they throw shade, my life ain't looking cloudy. I'm somewhere on an island like I'm chilling out in Maui. Chalking up the winds, think I got another tally, then I'm gone.
And would you look at that, we got a nice Dior belt buckle there. And actually I was pretty happy how this turned out. I was having a little bit of issues because of the extruding between the I and the R in Dior, especially when I added the solidify modifier, but ended up working out pretty well. And even at the end when I added the gold to the logo, I wasn't a big fan of how yellowish the gold was, so I just messed around with the colors a little bit and got it to match the reference image a little bit more, a little bit of a lighter gold. But moving forward, we're going to put that away for a minute, and it's time to model some clothes. First starting out with the shirt, so let's get to it.
I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, I'll set them on a chase. I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, I'll set them on a chase. That's the way. I said I'ma do it, I'ma get it anyways. All I do is work, I got this money on my brain. I don't like to talk, I just got way too much to say. They been trying to get me, I'ma get them out of the way. I said I'ma do it, I'ma go and get it back. We got in a whip, then I went and hit the dash. I've been thanking God for this life that I done had. I don't need opinions, dog, I only need the facts. What's real, dog? Sitting still, dog. They in they feels, dog. I got these bills, dog. Need a meal, dog. If they wantin' less, it's no deal, dog.
Our Dior shirt came out pretty nicely. I was having a little bit of an issue with the sleeves getting the texture right on there. So in the end product, it did come out a little bit stretched, but it's alright. It was the best I could do at this point. Definitely still learning about the whole unwrapping and putting the textures on and stuff. And I actually made this before all the Louis Vuitton stuff I put out, so that's why that stuff came out a lot better, because I had learned some more stuff. But anyways, moving forward with the shorts. These are always pretty quick and easy to make, so just bring in another cube, hit Control 4 to add a subdivision surface modifier, and it's time to model some shorts for Kevin.
Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous. Oh my god, now they all look jealous. Brand new drip, hope they all got umbrellas. Y'all don't fit in, call them all Cinderellas. And I heard your last shit, dog, you can do better. You ain't got shit on me, homie, that's facts. I just bought a new crib, I buy another for the tax. We ain't in the same league, we ain't in the same brackets. I ain't made a joint yet, they already know it slaps. Now I need the dollars. Got a new girl and she look like Madonna. Found a new flow and it's hot like the sauna. Buying these stocks, I don't care about designer. Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous. Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays.
Alright, so Kevin's looking pretty fresh right now. And he's not naked anymore, so that's good. And so the next step was to bring in the chain and put it around his neck and fit it properly. This was actually a little bit more challenging than I thought it was going to be, but I just played around with it for a little bit and ended up getting it to a place where I was pretty happy with. So now that's sitting nicely around his neck. It was just a little bit hard to get the chain part of it actually under the collar of the shirt, but it just took a little bit of extra time and it was alright. So now he's got his shirt, his shorts, and his bling between the chain and the watch. So next up, it was time to make him a little bucket hat. I actually really like making the hats. It's kind of fun, and I think it brings the piece together. Whether it's the bucket hat or kind of the normal hats. I've been making normal hats lately. So, I don't know. I just have fun making them.
I got ties in LA. I probably pull a packed crowd in the flyover stage. Lies spread quicker than the truth. If you always talking about me, they know more about you. Worry face, set the rest to fall in place. If they don't pay me to respond, then I gotta walk away. B&B, elevation high, laying low. I'm with the 10 who's down to f***ing cook me shit I got from Trader Joe's. Say they making moves, but we making more. I stay in the zone, y'all just staying broke, way to go.
Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous. Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous.
Yeah, Ray Lake State and we make waves here. Running the point, I make plays like Shakespeare. Every day I make it a great year. So every year I feel like the day's near, yeah. Whole catalog made from a home stew. Quick scroll through like shopping at Whole Foods with the fresh produce. My shit is a whole mood. AEI, I don't owe you. Then he rode through scoop. Yates alley-oop me another go-to. 2 video shoots, gotta look cute. Get my brand coupon, it's a lot of stunt doubles and they
tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous. Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber.
Alrighty, we're almost done here, and at this point Kevin's got a fire fit on. I mean, you can't just deny that. I also brought in the Explorer Thin Jordan 1s that we made a few videos ago, but this time I left them all white, which I think looked super fire with this fit. And I actually brought in my dad at this point to show him, and he suggested to make him some sunglasses. So we went straight back to Christian Dior's website, found some glasses that I liked, and we straight up modeled them. But first, I realized the belt buckle just kind of looked weird by itself. I could have definitely got away with just leaving it how it was, but I like to try to make these things as detailed as I can. So real quickly, just had to make a quick buckle. Belt, I mean, not buckle. We already got the buckle.
Dirt. Say it again, man, and that's a reverse. Never rehearse, jumping in first. Call up the nurse, put the beat in the hearse. This is absurd, change to berserk. Don't get on the tracks, man, and they better swerve. Don't got a nerve, man, I never curse. Just casting these spells when I'm spelling these words. That's real, that's too real. I've been Roosevelt, I need a new deal. Trying to figure out what I should do still. I'm really never waiting here too still. I don't even know what I should say at all. Should I jump on in? Should I get involved? Guys around me, they love to talk. Take it all with a grain of salt. This work that I'm doing, they never see through it. And all of this rap that I see that they ruin. I came in the game and I'm trying to undo it. And still they all say they don't know if the shoe fit. I gotta see through it, man, won't be deluded with all these illusions. I know it's disputed, I gotta keep growing. They see what my root is. I tell you I run this, I'm done with excuses. Give me for a minute, trying to get what I've been giving out. Do it for the tickets, I don't listen to the critics. I'ma push them to the limit. And these rappers getting timid, I've been balling like a pivot. I don't step into the scrimmage, I just play when I'm in it. Trying to run it till the ribbon. And they know that I've been tripping when I'm making put him in a prison with these bars that I've been spitting, and this life that I've been living, I'ma go, I'm on a mission.
Take two for the trap, jaw plotting on the boy. See me putting in the work, whole milk, I don't do the soy. Always been about my king, never about the money. Now you know I'm a trap before I stop the grind. I'm a trap before I stop the grind. I'm a trap before I stop the grind. Said I got my eyes on.
Alrighty guys, and with the glasses complete there, Kevin's fit is completely done. I was super happy with how this whole project came out here. And yes, if you guys didn't notice, the background was kind of sort of complete as I finished up the glasses because I came back later into my creative process and added all the textures in after I did the background. But I won't leave you guys hanging there. We're going to end the video off with the background process. I didn't really think too much into this one. I just wanted to create some sort of like runway that he was going to be walking down. So I'm just going to let the rest of the video play out to music while you guys see how I create the background. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like and subscribe. Also, drop a comment and let me know what brand you guys want me to make next. You could do Givenchy, Gucci, pretty much whatever. These ones will be like his hype beast fashion kind of collection. And I also have some like normal creations that Kevin will be part of. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Just to tell a friend, oh be there. I shoot my shot with this gold on my wrist while we throwing the parties, they throwing the fit. Go finesse, can spot me a sucker, a lot of you really is holding the lick. All of my homies legit, really is shit. I probably throw in my clip. I sell a boat to a fish, I sell a record, you know it's a hit. They see the effort I put in this music, and I ain't been giving no favors at all. All of this chef and I got in the shop, and I think that I probably could cater them all. I love the way that she answered the phone, I know that she ain't expect me to call. I got my eyes